How to delete all watched later videos on YouTube at once. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to delete all watched later videos on YouTube at once. Without further ado, let's get started. Open YouTube app. Make sure you sign in to your account. Suppose for a demo, tap three dots of particular video and tap on Save to Watch Later. Now this video has been saved to Watch Later. If you wish to delete all Watch Later videos on YouTube at once, tap profile icon at bottom right. Now here you can see the playlist. Tap on View All at right side. Tap Watch Later. So these are all your Watch Later videos. To delete, you can tap three dots at top right. But there is no option to delete all at once. So unfortunately, there is no option to delete all Watch Later videos on YouTube at once. But alternatively, you can tap on the three dots of particular video and tap Remove from Watch Later. Or you can simply swipe at the left side and tap the trash button in this way and manually delete all Watch Later videos on YouTube. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.